Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Want to go to the park?
Hi, my name is Emory Maxwell. I'm here today to tell you about light reactions. Now, first of all, light energy from the sun was absorbed by chlorophyll A in photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Those are energy carriers. Then it becomes energized chlorophyll.
And poor chlorophyll is caught in the middle of this.
Chlorophyll? More like borophyll.
And it splits the H2O and it's taken to the atmosphere, and the hydrogen becomes trapped by the NADPH to be used in dark reactions. And then the ATP from the energized chlorophyll, the ADP, becomes ATP when you add a phosphate from protein synthase. ATP synthase, excuse me. Becomes ATP to be used in dark reactions.
This is dark reactions. Yeah, so the carbon dioxide combines with an RUBP, which we'll find about later, to form a 6C sugar. And that sugar is very unstable. So it splits into PGA. And that PGA, well, it combines with hydrogen and it uses energy from the ATP. And the hydrogen came from the NADPH. And then the other side will go to PGAL. The PGAL will split into RUBP and glucose. Oh, this is more than one PGAL. We'll fix that later. And then the glucose will be used in cellular respiration. And then this RUBP, as I previously mentioned, will go way up here to be used again.
Now let's see how it looks so far. The break time.
Jones barbecue foot massage. Jones barbecue foot massage. Better come down here, get some of this.
I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Alright, now we're starting cellular respiration. First off, it's glycolysis, which occurs in the cytoplasm. The glucose, it goes in the PGA after it is oxidized and dephosphorylated. So the 2-ADP, which is the activation energy, turns into 2-ADP, and 2 P's are added to glucose. And that will produce 2-PGAL. And the PGAL oxidized and dephosphorylated, so it gives up to ATP. And then the result is 2-ATP is...
Sometimes I'll start a sentence, and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way.
And then it goes into 2 pyruvic acids. Okay, and it combines with 2 coenzymes, and 2 carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere, and the 2 NAD plus turn into 2 NADHs, and they act as a hydrogen acceptor. So it's the transition step, and it occurs in the matrix.
Yo, Tricks, do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vibe. I ain't gonna do it. Do it. Do it.
New York City. You are now rapping.
Hi, I'm Emory Maxwell, and I'm here to tell you about the Krebs cycle. Now, first off in the Krebs cycle, the acetyl-CoA combines with 2 oxaloacetates, and their carbons combine to form a 6-carbon citric acid. Then it releases NADH and CO2, and it turns into 2-alpha-ketoglutarate, which is a 5-carbon compound since the CO2 is released. Then NAD is oxidized once again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know some of these words.
And it becomes 2-NADH, and it releases CO2 once more. And then it becomes 2 succinic acids, which is a 4-carbon compound. Okay, then it turns into 2 fumaric acids, and this time FAD is oxidized, turns into FADH, and it is taken to the electronic transport chain with 2-NADH also. And then finally, 2 fumaric acids are oxidized and turned into 2 oxaloacetates. The process starts itself over again.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat.
Alright,
Will the
next
real Slim
off, we
Shady
have the electron
please
transport
stand
chain.
up?
First
We're gonna have a
off,
problem here.
10-ADH and 2-FADH are oxidized, and the remnants are recycled, while hydrogen ions are added across the membrane to create a hydrogen gradient, and the electrons will go through the electron transport chain. The electrons will provide energy for a phosphate group to be added to ADP to create ATP through chemiosmosis, and later the electrons will finally go through, and they'll be accepted by an oxygen, 6 oxygen molecules.
Did I stutter?
And 24 hydrogen ions will be added to that, create 12 molecules of water, and finally, cellular respiration is over. Alright, this is an overview of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. First off, these are the raw materials. 6 water and 6 carbon dioxide make glucose and 6 oxygen.
And then cellular respiration, the glucose molecule and the oxygen yield 6 H2O, 6 carbon dioxide, and 38 ATP.
And these go back to start the process over again.
Package for Josh Nichols.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Don't tell me what to do.